Hello, I am going to tell a little about my life in what video. The story of my life. My name is Guadalupe Montserrat Romero Cortez. I born in Cherán, Michoacan on June 1st, 2012, 6 a.m. My family is made up of 7 members. My whole George's father from Cherán, my 29. George Wall, mother from Acatren, Michoacán, La Cañada. I have 6 brothers. Its name is Jose Alejandro, second Jose Alberto, 3 Jose Armando, and one sister, Carla Yasmin. I grew up in Cherán, Michoacán, in grandparents' house with my family. When I was 3 years old, due to parents' work, we moved to Tarecuato, Michoacán. I studied kindergarten and 2 years of elementary school. In 2008, at the age of 8, we moved to our place, the Cherán. Here I continued my elementary studies in Lázaro Cárdenas School. In 2011, I finished elementary school and entered the Federal High School of Cherán. In 2012, went secondary school and began to be interested in studying music and basketball. In my free time, I took classes of these activities. I finished secondary, and actually my best friend is Lisbeth Mendoza. We all I am studying primary, secondary, and high school. We were still friends and we visit each other very frequent well. Here it was in Manzanillo, Colima. Here it was in Querétaro. Here it was in Puebla. At the age or entered the Cherán Campus High School. Here I had one the best friends, studied business administration in 5 semesters, completed the baccalaureate of mathematical, physical, and biologic in 12 to 8, and finished my school to take admissions exam the Universidad Michoacana de San Nicolás Hidalgo in the medicine career, in which I was not accepted, and a second option at work industrial engineer at this institute. This my friends is Lisbeth, is Madeline, is Naomi. So through my life, I have had presentation at national level with the musical orchestra. So well, I've been in participate in a meeting of orchestras in Manzanillo, Colima. In the same year, we won in the special prize in the artistic concert on the Purepecha in Sacan, Michoacan. I have had the opportunity to travel the two other states of the Mexican Republic in the same way in the sports for. Here it was in laboratory industrial engineer. Actually, in these years 2012, in this 2022, I will travel to Puebla to the pre-nationals days of sports event with the National Technological Institute of Mexico, and in September of the same years I will have the opportunity to travel to Chiapas on the National Days of Art and Culture. For finish in first my first in Institute de Technology in Campus Cheran.